Hello aspiring freelancers, welcome to our day 9 of freelancing journey. This is Aib Sharma and I'm student transformation mentor. Now in this video, we are going to discuss more and more about the portfolio. I'm insisting so much that portfolio is very important, and I have expressed how can you have a wonderful and attractive portfolio, how can you register yourself in different platforms, and with one live example I have explained in my past video. If you have not watched those videos, just go back and watch all the videos so that you will understand more about this video in a easy way. And again today I am going to discuss more about the portfolio, and I have divided this video into two sections. Section number 1, importance of having very good and professional portfolio. Section number 2, what are the strategies, tips and tactics you have to follow to have a very good portfolio. So without wasting our time, let's move on to section number 1, that is importance of portfolio. So I always insisting you need to have a professional portfolio. So to have a professional portfolio, the important elements are your professional picture, which is very much attractive. That is like the clients will get the very good first impression. Your professional bio that explains everything about you, like your qualification, where you are from, and what you are doing, what exactly your message and tagline, all these things. And you need to showcase your skills, your expertise, your uniqueness. All these things should be there in portfolio. Now I will give you 3 reasons why portfolio is very important for you to become a successful freelancer. Reason number 1, your professional portfolio demonstrates your skill, because when any client approaches for any kind of project and they are looking for the freelancers, then definitely they will look at the portfolio. So portfolio will showcase all your skills, because you may be expertise in one particular niche and micro niche, and you are expressing yourself through your works and projects in the past. So when they look at your portfolio, they understand everything about your knowledge, your skill, your expertise, all these things. Reason number 2 is portfolio builds the credibility and the trust. So whenever any client looks at your portfolio, they should get some trust on you, and you should have some credibility. So trust builds only when they look at the portfolio, because you are showing your skills, you are proving that you have done certain kind of related projects in the same skill and niche. That makes the client to feel free, and they send email and they want freelancing from your side. Reason number 3, your portfolio shows your professional story. You know, so many times whenever you are expressing any kind of story to others, that will attract most of the audience. So your story is very important. So how can you showcase your story to all the clients in this freelancing world? That is through portfolio only. In your portfolio, you can express your story, like what are the skills you have, what are the projects you have done, what are the challenges you have faced while doing any kind of project, and how did you get appreciation from others. All these things you can express in portfolio in different freelancing platforms. So that is like you are expressing your professional story. So this particular story will attract most of the clients, and there will be very high chances that they will send an email for any kind of freelancing project. Now let's move on to section number 2, that is what are the strategies and tips and tactics you have to follow to have a very attractive and wonderful portfolio. The first strategy is you need to have a diversified selection. That means if you have so many varieties of skills within you and you want to show that to all the freelancing clients, then you need to express in the portfolio only. You can divide all your skills in different gigs and you can express in the portfolio. You can have separate portfolios for different varieties of skills that are there within you. With this, the clients understand that you have knowledge in different variety of skills, and you can switch over easily from one skill to another skill. That will be more advantage for the client for you to give any kind of project. Strategy 2, that is quality versus quantity. You all have to remember all the time that it is always quality is very important rather than the quantity. It's not about how many projects you have done, it's not about how many varieties of projects you have done in the past, but it is always about one project that will express everything about yourself and your skills, and how much depth of the knowledge you have within your particular niche and micro niche, and that is very important. So instead of showing all the projects that you have done in the past, so you should think that one important project, and you need to show that in the portfolio, not so many projects. So never think about the quantity, always think about the quality only. And the third strategy that you all have to follow to have an attractive portfolio, that is your context of the project as well as description of the project. So whenever you are expressing your skills and any kind of a particular niche, then you need to explain in detail about that particular project, what is the role in that project, how much impact you have created in the results, and how much time you have taken to complete that particular project, and you need to explain everything about each and every corner details about that particular project. Then this will explain more about yourself to the client, and it becomes very easy for you to get the projects from the client. The next strategy that you all have to follow, that is visual appearance and consistency. So whenever you are building your portfolio, don't think that it's a one-time job. It is always consistency of crafting your portfolio. So whenever you have designed portfolio, you need to be very much consistent regularly, and explaining about your skills, updating your profile picture, and updating your skills through videos, through images, and it must be every day. So in this way, your professional portfolio will be more and more polished, and it becomes very easy for you to get the freelancing projects. Again and again, I'm reminding you all that to have a best portfolio in one of the best freelancing platform, that is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is like a professional platform where so many professionals will be there, working employees will be there, and the top founders of the company, entrepreneurs, and HR managers will be there. So you can show your skills and expertise in this particular platform, that is LinkedIn. So till now, if you have not opened the account in the LinkedIn, you need to open the account. You need to design and work upon your portfolio. You need to have your attractive and wonderful profile picture, and you need to work on your bio. So just commit yourself to complete this one, so that you can see the results as early as possible. With this action of the day, I am signing off, and do like this video, and also comment in this video, share this video to all your friends, and please subscribe to the channel.